Hey, it's Cyber, and today we're reviewing $75 worth of slimes from OG Slimes. Please keep in mind that this is $75 worth with the 15% off coupon. The prices shown during the review are all full price just so that things don't get mixed up. Shipping was super fast, especially in a time like this, and I'm assuming it's because their location is only about an hour from me. I believe all of the slimes are 6 ounces besides the duos, so let's get started. The first slime we have is Icicle, which was labeled as a sugar bead slime. Funny enough, I thought that this was just a clear slime, so you can tell a little bit that I was really confused. The slime had a lot of little blue snowflakes and white sprinkles, which made it look a little bit iridescent, which is really pretty to look at. Though this slime had really good bubble pops, it was also really rough on my hand, so it made them numb really fast. The next slime we have is Mistletoe Milk Tea, which is meant to be a thick and glossy slime with boba beads in it. The scent was meant to be caramel apple pie, but to me it just smelled like lotion. Personally, I found the slime to be a little bit too thick, so I didn't play with it much. Next we have Santa's Bag, which is a butter slushie that smelled like vanilla to me. The females in the center were not all Christmas themed, but this pink one was really cute. The clay top was extremely soft, but it did feel a bit oily. I also noticed that not only was the clay feeling oily, but the base also felt really oily. The next slime we have is Winter Wonderland, which is a bingsu slime that smells like blue raspberry. The next slime we have is Butter OG, which is a butter slime that smells like orange creamsicle. I typically don't prefer butter slimes, but I was a little bit disappointed with this one because it just felt like there was only clay in it. The slime was also pretty dense and hard even after playing with it, and I noticed that when it touched my desk, it would somewhat bounce up. Next, I'll be going over all of the mini slimes that I got, and this one is half of Santa's bag. This one was half of Frosty, which was the bottom black bingsu portion of the slime. This one was Gingerbread, which was a foam slime with a bunch of different sized foam beads. The scent also smelled like stale gingerbread cookies. Personally, I didn't really like the texture of this one too much since the little foam beads and the sprinkles ended up poking my hands a little bit too much. This one was Pink Arctic, which I believe was a sleigh slime, and it really just smelled like lotion to me. This slime was personally my favorite mini due to the fact that it was really easy to poke and it was really easy to stretch and it was also holdable. Thank you so much for watching my review on OG slimes. Let me know in the comments what other slime shop you would like me to review next. See you next time. Cyber.